If you want to target people who have already interacted with your business, uploading a customer list in Google Ads is a powerful strategy. And in this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to do it, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. This feature is called Customer Match, and it allows you to show ads to users based on the data you already have, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or other contact details. It helps improve targeting and increases the chances of conversions because you are reaching a more relevant audience. First, prepare your customer list before uploading. Create a file in CSV format and include the required data like email addresses or phone numbers. Make sure the data is accurate and properly formatted. Google also has specific guidelines for formatting, so it is a good idea to check their template to avoid errors during upload. Also, ensure that you have permission to use this data for advertising, as Google has strict policies regarding user privacy and data usage. Now, log into your Google Ads account and go to the dashboard. Click on Tools and Settings, then find Audience Manager under the Shared Library section. Once you are inside Audience Manager, go to the Segments tab. Click on the plus icon and select Customer List. You will now see an option to upload your file. Choose your prepared CSV file and select the type of data you are uploading, such as email, phone, or both. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upload process. After uploading, give your audience a name and save it. Google will take some time to process and match your data with user accounts. This may take a few hours or even a couple of days, depending on the size of your list. Once your audience is ready, you can use it in your campaigns. Go to the campaign or ad group where you want to apply it, then navigate to the Audiences section and add your customer list as a targeting option. Another useful tip is to regularly update your customer list to keep it fresh and relevant. You can also create multiple lists for different types of customers, such as repeat buyers or inactive users, to run more targeted campaigns. Avoid uploading duplicate or outdated data, as it can reduce effectiveness. In simple terms, uploading a customer list in Google Ads involves preparing your data file, uploading it through Audience Manager, and then applying it to your campaigns for better targeting. This allows you to reconnect with existing customers and improve your overall ad performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more beginner-friendly guides that help you run smarter and more effective Google Ads campaigns.